Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews of the latest gadgets and accessories. Today, we're diving into the world of audio equipment with a closer look at the GearIT 16/2 speaker wire. Whether you're setting up a home theater system or upgrading your car audio, having the right speaker wire is crucial for achieving the best sound quality. And that's where GearIT steps in with their 16/2 speaker wire.
Let's start with the basics. This speaker wire comes in a convenient 50-foot length, giving you plenty of flexibility for your installation needs.
But what sets it apart is its construction.
GearIT uses premium OFC conductors in this wire,
which means you get superior conductivity and signal transfer compared to cheaper alternatives. Plus, it's CL2 rated, making it safe for in-wall installations. So whether you're running it behind drywall or under carpet, you can trust that it meets the highest safety standards.
But what about performance? Well, users have praised the GearIT 16/2 speaker wire for its ability to deliver clear and crisp audio,
whether you're listening to music or watching movies.
And thanks to its high strand count and oxygen-free copper construction, you can say goodbye to interference and distortion.
Now, some of you might be wondering about the price.
At $24.25 for a 50-foot length, it's certainly not the cheapest option out there. But as the saying goes, you get what you pay for.
And in this case, you're getting top-notch quality that's built to last.
Don't just take my word for it, though.
Customers have raved about the GearIT 16/2 speaker wire, praising its durability,
ease of installation, and, most importantly, its exceptional sound quality.
So there you have it, folks.
If you're in the market for high-quality speaker wire that delivers on performance and reliability, look no further than the GearIT 16/2 speaker wire.
Thanks for watching, and be sure to tune in next time for more reviews on Product Critique.